guys, what we see here is a Litex Vortex Hugger ceiling fan. It's pretty generic, but it's a little fan. That's really small. So yeah. So here's the light. There's low speed.
Where's mommy?
Mommy is at CPO.
Not coming tonight.
Actually, not here
Which
tonight.
car you taking?
Sorry, my brother and my dad are talking. So here's medium. So yeah. Here's medium speed, and there's high.
One loves that fan.
Man, this thing is really powerful.
Yeah.
It's a powerful little fan on high. So here's off. Man, this thing's taking a long spin down time. Does it have white to bleach oak or just white? I know this is a Litex Hugger. And also Menards sells these. Menards sells these. But Menards is just only in the Midwest. And also Walmart sells these. And it's branded Litex.
Yeah, why?
But the Menards version is branded Turn of the Century. Turn of the Century. Here's high. Here's low speed. Oh, let's. Oh my gosh, it's taking a long spin down time for like a 30-inch Hugger fan. Alright, so now let's reverse it. Low reverse. This thing has a cool startup sound.
That sounds
Medium, low speed reverse, medium reverse. There's high reverse. Now I have to go really slow, make it go slower. Uh oh, I have to be careful not to pull it out. Let's stand it up. Go back to forward. Let's do a startup noise. Wrong pull chain. That's a cool startup sound. That's the noise harmonics. Now you gotta put your headphones on for this because it's really cool. Medium speed. And there you have it. Litex Vortex Hugger. 30-inch Litex Vortex Hugger in white. Thanks for AKA Menards Turn of the Century. Can't remember the name. Thanks for watching.